naman lagi pinag-pray ko yung health mo, more birthdays to come, tsaka happiness and long life. Okay, as always. Last na yun eh. Yun lang, I love you very much. Happy birthday ulit.
Yes, thank you, Ma'am Anne. We love you because you are a loving, caring brother from Ate Aura. You're the kind, caring, and helpful brother that we have in the Ilagan family. From your pogi brother, Barok. Tama po? Ayan. We love you because you always care from Beck. Ayan. So, these are just some of the reasons why we love Joel. And we have a lot more reasons, of course. And there are too numerous to mention na hindi enough yung program natin. But I think we can encapsulate our love for Joel and for his special day today with a very simple pero heartfelt song by singing Happy Birthday to him. Ayan. So let's light up the candles and let's all stand. To you, happy birthday
Blow this one or this one?
This one, blow this one.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Master! Happy birthday to you.
Here the candle.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday! Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. And now that we have blown the candle, Joel, and let me read them to you, okay? We love you, Joel, because you always put a smile in our face. According po yan kay Reg. Okay? Another reason why we love Joel is we love you because you inspire us to do better. Wow, from Chelly. Another one. Okay. We love you because you are so kind to us. Yan. Galing po kay Mama. From Mama. Opo. Dapat lang kapag anak, dapat mabait talaga. No? Yan. We love you because you have always made us laugh and smile. From JX or Jerry. O Jen po ba ito? Jenny. Ayan po. Then, another one. We love you because, this one is a wish. Okay. Enjoy being 60 and on to retirement from work. Happy birthday from Emma P. Yan. Birthday wish naman po yan. This one. We love you because you are my best friend's happiness. Wow, that's so sweet. Happy birthday, more love and blessings from Sally. Yan. Another one. We love you because you love my ate from Oliver. That's so sweet. Dahil mahal mo rin siya. And that's how you should really spread love, right? Wala naman dapat ibang reason to love someone, but just because you love them, diba? Another one, we love you because you are a loving, thoughtful, and generous brother from Evelyn. Wow, that's very sweet. Okay. We love you because, gusto ko to my number. Number 1. You always invite me to play tennis at Celebrity. Okay. Number 2, you play better than I do. Ayan. And number 3, because you are generous. From Kuya Eric. Ayan. Okay. We love you because of countless things. Too many for this small piece of paper. Hehehe. Sabi niya, a rocking birthday to my forever Uncle Pogi. Love, Hindi po mabasa yung name. Ayan. Sino po nagsulat? Melay. From Melay. Ayan. Next, okay. Hi Joel, it's nice to see you on your 60th birthday. Long live, love, West. Ayan, parang king lang, no? Long live. Bongga. Next, this one is also wishing you the best on your birthday from Chito. We love you because of your... Oy, thank you. May pahabol pa. We love you because of your thoughtfulness, helpful advice, because of your humor and your affection. From JX. JX, JY. JY. Opo. Mamaya JZ naman. Alphabet po kasi.